How to change your name on Google account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your Google account name. The first step is to open Google Chrome on your device, then head over to myaccount.google.com. Once you're on this page, select the option of personal info. Here under basic info, you have all of your personal details. You have the option of name, click on it. You will be able to view your current name over here. Click on this pencil icon in order to edit it. Now, over here you get to edit your name. If you want to completely change your name, you can erase the previous name and then type in the new name. Once that is done, here you can check out who can see your name. Once you have edited or changed your name, click on the option of save. Now, you also have the option of adding a nickname. Click on this pencil icon for it. Now over here, you can enter a new nickname for you. Now, click on the option of save once you have entered your nickname. Once that is done, if you head back, you will see that your name has been successfully changed, and this is how it is going to appear for anyone you contact in Google account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.